Howdy guys, today I'm going to talk to you about the Task Scheduler. The Task Scheduler is for Windows 10 only. You can use it to run programs and set triggers in order for these programs to run. I personally use it to run my programs here, run my website and things like that. To access it, you go to the search bar and look up Task, and there it is. And this is, remember, this is for Windows 10. So you click it, it might take a while to load up the first time, and usually you'll see something like this. And in order to see the actual tasks that are being scheduled, you hit the library, the folder over here, and you could see what you have. I deleted all of mine, but by default you have at least 10 different things that start up with the computer or update at 12 p.m. every day. You can run things on a clock. And right now I'm using it to run my Monflow server, which is so I could access my computer from anywhere using Monflow or TeamViewer. I don't know, I should delete this Opera auto update, but not right now. And this one right here is to start my website. And you could take a look at the bottom here. You'll see general, which explains basically what it's doing, but you have to put your own description in. And that's just the general information. Right here where it says run with highest privileges, sometimes you will need that. That's so that you can have an administrator's permission with that. And next to general you have triggers, and when you add, I don't think you can do it here, but you can add these triggers. Then you have actions, right? Whatever it is you want to run, exes, bat files, any application, shortcuts, things like that. And then conditions are things that will stop it from running if there is something wrong with running it. And these other ones, I never really use them. History, see, I haven't even had any startups on my website because I haven't restarted my computer in a few weeks. So to create a task, you go to the right over here. I recommend doing create task instead of create basic task. Here's what create basic task looks like. It's like one of those quick wizard things, and there just aren't as many options as is possible with just the regular create task. So this is where you do all of the information that was at the bottom. All of this information shows up right in here, and you can do it to where it's run with highest privileges, which is administrative permission, and then you have the user, and you have to run only when logged in or not logged in, name, description, all these things. You could fill them in, and these are the triggers. When you can start a new one by going to this new button, and I like to do on logon because when you start the computer you can really do it. Like, so hit this scroll bar where it says begin the task, and you can see a bunch of different ways to trigger an action. And you have the time right over here, repeat task every hour. Viruses generally use these task schedulers, these tasks, in order to run themselves. So if you ever get stuck in a pickle with a virus, be sure to check your task scheduler. Lastly, you have actions, and you can look for scripts and things like that, or just text documents, shortcuts, exes, once again batch files, Java files, and you can run code as well, but I think you have to do it in a batch file. These conditions, these are the ones that will stop it, of course, and the settings, I never really mess with that. And that is basically the task scheduler. Please like, subscribe, and comment to support the channel. Right now my goal is to get 100 subs.